Welcome! This video was designed to help guide you through the setup of your new HughesNet voice equipment. By now, you should have received your HughesNet Voice ATA in the mail. Included with your HughesNet Voice ATA is a blue Ethernet cable, a power supply with plug adapter, a quick start guide, and a yellow sticker which should be applied to the top of the ATA. This sticker has an important enhanced 911 service message. Let's get started. First, the ATA should be connected between the HughesNet modem and your computer or wireless router. To connect your ATA, identify the Ethernet cable connecting your HughesNet satellite modem to your computer or wireless router. Next, disconnect this Ethernet cable from your HughesNet modem and connect it to the yellow Ethernet port on the ATA. Now, take the blue Ethernet cable supplied to you with the ATA. Connect one end to the port labeled LAN on your HughesNet modem and connect the other end to the blue Internet port on the ATA. You have now connected your ATA in between the HughesNet satellite modem and your computer or router. Now you are ready to connect to your phone. Plug the phone cord into the Phone 1 port on the ATA. Do not connect anything to the Phone 2 port. Then confirm that the other end of the phone cord is plugged into the phone or cordless phone base station. To complete your ATA setup, slide the two-prong adapter supplied with the ATA onto the power supply until it clicks into place. Now, connect the ATA power supply to the DC 5V power socket on the ATA. Finally, connect the ATA power supply to a wall outlet. The first green LED light labeled with the power symbol on the top edge of the ATA will turn on. Confirm that your HughesNet modem is also powered up and wait for the second green LED labeled with the Internet symbol on the top edge of the ATA to turn on. This may take a moment. As a check, power up your PC and test your connection to the Internet by browsing to a favorite web page. Your connections are now complete. You are now ready to activate your HughesNet voice service. To do this, go online to www.supportcenter.myhughesnet.com.